So welcome friends, I am here with my next video. Now since that we have finished with the delivery process discussing all about labor, we are here today to discuss with you the post-delivery care. So first of all, a big congratulations to you for your new arrival. After a normal delivery, taking care of yourself is crucial as you adjust to motherhood. So let's explore the essential steps for post-delivery care to ensure that you have a smooth post-delivery period. So the first thing, most important, is rest and sleep. Your body has worked really hard to manage a normal delivery. So you need to make rest a priority. Nap when your baby is sleeping to recharge all your energy. So create a more restful place with a lot of cozy pillows and blanket to ensure utmost comfort for you. So as in a normal delivery, you have stitches down there. Most of the patients do have it. So that perineal care is most important. You need to keep the area dry and clean. You need to sit in seats bath so that you can give it that cleanliness there. You need to apply the ointment 2 to 3 times a day. And this seats bath will help you soothe the soreness and promote healing. So about the activities, light activities like walking and everything can be done to ensure circulation and help recovery. But any kind of exercises that we need to do, we will wait for 6 weeks till we can start doing that. About nutrition, generally a lot of people have a lot of questions on it, and we have a lot of myths related to that you should only eat particular foods. But what we suggest is that you should eat nutrient rich foods like fruits, vegetables, proteins, whole grains to support recovery as well as breastfeeding. What is important is that you should be consuming at least 3 to 4 liters of water so that the milk secretion is good. Emotionally, any pregnancy can have an emotional toll on you. So it's common to feel a mix of joy, exhaustion, anxiety, a lot of worry. How will you manage? Allow yourself to experience these emotions without any judgment. You need to not hesitate if you need help. Take help of your partner, your family members, and vent out whatever your feelings are. If you feel it is getting too much, you need to meet your doctor so that we can manage all your feelings and give you the right advice. If feelings of sadness or anxiety persist, then we need to take professional help. You need to bond well with your baby. So skin to skin contact is very important. We follow the golden hour feeding for every baby here. Within 1 hour of birth, the baby is put to mother's breast. But you spend time holding your baby close to you, promote bonding and the emotional connection. And whatever the baby's cues are, please try and enjoy it to the fullest. Some tips for self-care. You need to take small breaks for yourself, whether it is a warm bath, quiet walk, or reading a book. Once the baby is sleeping, please take some time out for yourself. Please do not listen to all advice of the gurus which are around you. And learn to delegate your tasks. All the household chores, you may want to do everything yourself because you're probably a person who wants everything according to you. But now that you're in the postnatal period, please delegate your work to others to help you, including meal preparation, so that you can ease the load on yourself. And walking and postpartum yoga can be done right up to after 6 weeks of delivery. So concluding it, embrace the post-delivery care is very vital for you for your physical and emotional well-being as you transition into motherhood. By prioritizing your rest, nutrition, emotional support, you'll be better equipped to take care of your little one and enjoy this incredible journey. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your baby. So welcome to this beautiful world of motherhood mamas.